Growth is dynamic, interactive, and ever-evolving. Never before in our lives have we faced such rapid growth, fueled by diverse global opportunities. Subsequently, our markets are undergoing changes. Changes that have a significant impact on our scope, optimism, and experience. Changes that force us to challenge conventions and think alternatively. Changes which are significantly evident in Indian real estate. Indian real estate is one of the fastest growing market sectors. It's the second largest employer in India after agriculture and is poised to grow at a rate of 30% over the next decade. This growth will be as a result of two factors: India's booming economy and its vast population. About 35% of the Indian population falls in the 15 to 35 age bracket. This population will drive the demand for real estate over the next 15 years. According to one estimate, 223 million people are expected to relocate to these urban areas, increasing the urban population to 500 million by 2030. This means that India needs to develop almost 45 to 50 million housing units by 2030, allowing it to become the third largest construction market in the world. Before we get ahead of ourselves, the current real estate market is already quite large and contributes 5 to 6% of the total GDP, with an existing unmet demand of 18.7 million housing units. This humongous market size and major disparity between demand and supply translates into formidable market strength, which is expected to cross $646.5 billion by the year 2020. It's the same reason why this sector has always benefited from its popularity with foreign investors. As a result, the Indian construction and development sector is the fourth largest, contributing to the FDI inflow into the Indian economy, having crossed $24 billion in less than 15 years. And why not? Everyone is interested in the changing economic climate in India. Thusly, the Indian government is constantly reforming its policies to attract more foreign investments. Policies like preferential tariffs, investment loan subsidies, and tax advantages on foreign investments. As a result, investments up to $1 billion can now be brought in through external commercial borrowing, or ECB, for affordable housing projects. Outlook for private equity is also quite positive, as deals worth $1.15 billion were sealed in the first month of 2015. Moreover, the Indian government is envisioning future plans of creating 100 smart cities and initiatives like Make in India and Skilled India, which have already caught the world's attention. To cut a long story short, our industry is currently passing through its prime, where markets are promising great potential growth. This is in conjunction with the Indian government playing a positive role to ensure that the world takes notice of India as an investment-friendly economy. We at Credai, as the representatives of the Indian real estate industry, must capitalize on the opportunity with confidence and our typical inherent dynamism. We should partner with the Indian government and step out in the global market to seek foreign investments, mergers, acquisitions, and collaborations. In exchange, we offer profitable and promising markets to our foreign investors. Investment isn't just a word for us, it's a promise we strive to keep. How are we going to accomplish this, you ask? Well, we have a plan. We propose to create a platform to be jointly organized by Credai, the Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Urban Development, and the Ministry of External Affairs, in association with banking and finance companies, housing corporations, investment companies, and local developers. We will hold a 3-day confluence where a large volume of real estate and infrastructure professionals committed to our endeavors come face to face with our potential investors. This meeting, we feel, is a necessity to show learn, share, network, and gather inspiration to invest in the Indian real estate sector. This summit will tour internationally in cities that have the most potential to develop investor interest. Cities like Dubai, New York, Houston, and London were chosen based on their large NRI population with high buying capacity. NRIs constitute the largest pool of potential investors abroad and have timelessly shown great enthusiasm in investing in the Indian real estate sector. To instill excitement and attract a big draw, this show will utilize stars from Bollywood as well as major sports personalities as our brand ambassadors. We will maintain sharp focus on 3 target groups. 1. Institutional and individual foreign direct investors. 2. The NRI population residing in the aforementioned cities. 3. Foreign media. By holding interactive sessions, seminars, and symposiums, we can then take advantage of the experience and expertise of participants like existing foreign investors, key market players, leading urban experts, government representatives, opinion leaders, and economists. Credai Rising India Expo aims to investigate and create the most relevant contributions, partnerships, initiatives, and solutions, bringing Indian real estate into the 21st century and taking it into the future. See you at the Credai Rising India Expo. Invest in India and invest in the future.